In section B of the final report form, you're answering one key question, and that question is, did you finish the project? And if your project did not complete, we offer a box right beside the place where you answer yes or no on your project completion. And if you answered no, you tell us why. What are the reasons you could not finish your project? Just simply provide the text that provides that explanation. That's all we need. In the table below this is all about funded project activities. And this table is populated from information in your funding agreement. You've all signed a document that looks like this. And in that document, in Schedule A, there's a table like this. And this table lists all your funded project activities and the approved amounts for each of those activities. And we've taken that information from your funding agreement for your specific project, and we've already entered that information here for you. All you need to do is indicate what your actual proponent cost was for each of these items. When you indicate what you actually paid for each of these funded activities, the variance will self-calculate, and your funded Canada and Manitoba contributions are also detailed here for you. We ask that you input what your prior merit payments received were. So if you received a claim period payment in claim period 1, you'd simply put what that amount was here in the claim period 1 field. If you received a claim period 3 check, then you'd indicate what that payment was here under CP3, and so on. There's a section at the end of section B about other project funding sources. This includes proponent cash, money you're putting in out of your own pocket, and total proponent in-kind contributions. In addition to that, we ask you to specify if you added any other funding sources in addition to merit to the project. So if you tapped into another grant program, you simply tell us what the amount was and what that fund name was. Enter that for each of the other funding sources and you're completed. The totals for the other funds and the proponent contributions will self-calculate here based on the information you enter into this form. That's everything for section B, and now we'll go to section C and talk about how we complete that information and where that information comes from.